Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation from year 2009 to year 2014. If you guys need to find the fuse for the rear view camera, stay with us. We'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy cheap fuses from, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. So we're going to demonstrate here on a 2012 Ford F-150. But even if you have a different year, that generation F-150, video may be helpful guys. Well, now you're going to have two fuse boxes on your F-150. One is under the hood in the engine bay, right above the radiator fan. You have that fuse box, but we don't need this one today. You need to find the one that's inside the vehicle on the passenger side, under the glove box, in the footwell, by the kick panel. You remove that cover right here on the side, and you're going to see a fuse box that looks just like that. And by taking that picture guys and zooming in, we can clearly show you which fuse we need to check now. But before we do that, let's explain why you should always test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse that we'll need to check guys for the rear view camera will be, that's the first row right here, second row, third row from left to right. And here if we come guys, we need to find fuse number 34, which from that relay here, the third row will be 1, 2, that second fuse, that 10 amp fuse, is actually the one that we need to check for the rear view camera guys. That 10 amp fuse will be for the rear view camera. It's also responsible for the Parktonic on your F-150. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.